You will just, you know, change that now, Abi.
No. Oh, I don't go talk the matter.
No, leave him. Just leave him.
What you pastor?
So, questions. So, say someone to ask question.
G Money Music, yeah. Follow me. I'm really...
Say, I'm really into long distance relationships and it's not G Money Music. And now I'm feeling somehow as in I should cut it off.
When you say long distance, so is it mainland island distance or...
No. Ultimately, if that is where you currently are and you are already engaging some of these things, then you are good. The idea is for people that are in it and do not know how to cope, we are just trying to help you understand how to cope. It's harder than physically being present. It's a lot harder, but it's the commitment to it. A lot of people say, as you don't go so, you go cheat on me or you don't leave me. What are the tools you need to help you even reduce that distance psychologically or emotionally? Those are the things we are discussing. We're trying to just help you know how to help yourself relax. If you're communicating regularly, you know, I don't think you need to worry. If both of you don't talk already before you go, that's when you are in trouble now. Because when you go now...
How do you talk?
So if you're not used to, you say, you're not big on phone calls. Okay.
No, I hear that thing.
You know,
I hear that thing. Some people they say, this thing about phone. I'm not good on phone calls. I'm not big on keeping in touch.
You will go now. You say you're not big on keeping in touch.
He said, so please forgive me if, you know, for some days you don't used to hear me.
Hear from me.
You know the bad behavior.
In relationship, there has to be hear me on who they watch now. In relationship, everything, there must be consensus. Even if you be a spiritual person and you want to take some weeks, go, make you and your wife agree. Tell her, say, nay, nothing can happen in the next 2-3 weeks at the prayer day. Let her know. Not just because sometimes we create a very negative vibe and we're trying to do a positive thing, but we create a negative. So they try to play with you, say, you know, and she doesn't know you are on the mountain. You know.
Aisha, good evening.
Good evening, how are you there?
Fine.
Jai.
Aisha.
Yeah?
How you there? How you talk?
I just kind of getting how you there?
Fine. Nami, now you.
I like you.
Aisha, thank you. I like you too.
You are dead. You are good.
Amaro. All right, Aisha.
Aisha, the Lord will meet you at the point of your needs. You obviously need Jesus' help. Pastor, continue.
So, after emotional communication, so communication dey key. Now go plan how now they talk. If you be like say you get money to call every day, make them every day, or make them turn them to maybe like weekend. Covenant time. Where 12 now agree say you go call you.
Okay.
So you go down your bed, you don't wear boxers.
You don't wait. So that you get baritone voice.
Plan them well.
So as you lie down like this, she go lie down like this.
When they say what's up, what did they happen, and then they laugh, make it be the last voice till you sleep.
Okay. Continue, Pastor. Pastor.
So communication. So if not text, if you say no, they big on call, check whether the person know they big on call.
Oh.
No assume say because you know they big on call.
The person go understand.
They big right. You know. See, like I talked before we take the calls. Even spiritually, one of the things where people, even spiritual families, they get issues. Now, when you know they carry your partner along. Okay, this morning you wake up and you feel very strongly. Say you want fast for 3 days. But you don't tell the man. And you wake up that morning, the way breeze blow. The way breeze blow that morning, it's ready to go.
In 1 minute.
And you don't tell him anything. You just come say, if you touch me, God will punish you. It's a sin. As you go, you go sit down and think of your life. Say, so which one didn't do today now? So that's your good thing. Don't become bad thing. Because if the person is supposed to join faith with you, don't even
and that your fast itself don't scatter.
Look, when you come, maybe you hear from somebody say you dey fast. Now you no fit talk. Don't be my husband. So this one now fast for
Captain Edet, good evening.
Hello?
Captain, good evening.
Captain. Yeah, good evening.
Evening, no?
Captain of the Lord. Which question you get to ask?
Yeah, Oganedu and Katim. Katim, how are you?
Say me mamba, I don't know.
I saw you.
Song there.
I want to ask my pastor something.
All right. They talk.
Yes, because this, you know, say some kind of long distance relationship, they like saying 2 types. If person they stay for Nigeria, and person they stay outside Nigeria.
Yes.
I will go call that kind long distance relationship.
Now, long distance relationship.
I know.
Now long distance relationship now.
If you know, like we talked before, say communication, line enter. They do why they do your hand like this, waiting me that.
Would they try hear you? Would they try understand?
I don't hear you.
Okay, continue.
Okay, see my hand.
Your laptop.
I had the talk.
Sorry.
I had to hear you, Edit. Edit.
Yes, I hear you.
I go on.
Now,
Yeah. So.
What do you mean the need for money for long distance? That sending of money for long distance relationship. I hear you, Pastor.
Okay. What is the need for sending money?
Yeah.
Okay. For instance, you can hang up and listen.
Okay.
All right. For instance, if she go do masters for London, and for the next 18 months you no go see am, or 20 months, you don't pay school fees. Sometimes by yourself, sure you no go send that money to just get money, upgrade her deodorant, change all her. Yeah, don't be you be.
Now you be all in charge.
So what are you? See, the longer the distance, they do the outreach more because now way to show say you dey interested in her life. You can just say, look, make I send you 5K. She go say, na $2. You say £2. You say, no worry. That no be the money be the issue. Just me send them to you. Take and buy that your pink lipstick where they like. And then the idea that you just instill in for her subconscious, say you still day around. So because you travel, you don't want to send that money. Or guy debt. That's one no be long distance again. No. That na send forth.
Okay, well, plenty tweet messages don't enter. Hello from Lagos. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening.
Precious, good evening.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening, no. Evening.
Hello.
Yeah, I have to talk.
I didn't hear you.
Hello.
We can hear you. Go on.
Yeah.
No,
call us back, Abel. Call us back. TX Timothy.
G-Money, no.
Okay,
G-Money
the G-Money say, I live in Kano and she's around Oyo State.
Okay.
Issue is that I'm a touchy person and I'm feeling so lonely.
Okay.
Oh,
so
you are such a sold man.
So simple. Not gonna talk. Either you hurry up, marry sharp, or if you don't marry, plan on how weekends you gonna come. Make sure say they compose. You're gonna come back every weekend. If it's your wife, make sure they come back every weekend. If you never marry, we're gonna discuss and say you need to marry very quickly so that we can get past this your loneliness. If you know go happen anytime soon, then you know what you go do.
And then a TX Timothy, your boss, say letters and flowers save marriages back in the day, but text, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. can save boyfriend and girlfriend today.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is this time to reinforce communication?
I think so. Communication. No, so good evening. Communication, yes.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, my brother. Which question you get to ask?
Sure. Anyway, we're the same thing. I want to call Wazobia Radio, but eventually I got TV. But I've heard what you people are saying. Yeah. Please continue. Just enlighten people, direct people, please. Thank you very much. I'm listening to Wazobia Radio. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Sorry.
Anyhow, you are stuck.
It's okay.
On
So Wazobia.
Continue. Wazobia.
You want to say something before?
No,
communication guy. Okay. Communication.
Guy.
So emotional strain day, communication strain day. Sometimes, if una never dey financially stable enough for regular communication, strain go dey. So if una no go fit talk every day, make it be once or twice a week. Or if now once a week, make that once be poof. Once you call, maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour. I remember sometime when they do talk say some years ago, where na 100 naira take load after 6 texts. So every gist now 6 texts be the gist.
Yes.
So no gist fee come pass down. So the person go understand say, as you don't send 3. Now 3 remain. Now 3 remain. So communication, they're very, very key.
Chris, good evening.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening. Ask your question.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Pastor.
Evening, no, they talk.
I want to find out something from you.
Okay.
Pastor, what about a situation whereby you did in a long distance relationship with your girl?
Okay.
And you did try your best to call on a daily basis you even text, call, and you try your own best. Instead of, you try your best to make sure you please her.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, she knows she say you do anything. For her to return back your call for one day, she knows they return. How you go call that one?
Okay. Now still long distance, but you did pain now, so I'm going to explain. Hang up, make I explain. So, when this is a classic case of communication strain in long distance relationship. Now one person begins to feel he or she is giving
marginalization
and giving and giving and not getting. It's only a matter of time before this kind of strain will become serious rift. Because if they do all these efforts to call or to reach out and they get them back in
one day go tire.
And go come be saying don't become bad person. You go just say, but they try at all to even try to reach me. And they try. And then the worst part will come if you can't they get hit. He's saying they try, maybe they do have 3 times a week. In they get hit, saying no, they try enough. And then she they even call at all. So maybe she did 2 things. Maybe she want make you send the money, make she take call you, or she just 12 on a different page on the matter of communication.
What if it be, Pastor, if it be another thing, if it be say the girl, no just send them again?
No, that one.
Oh, don't they run another program? Concurrent program.
She said that you don't throw caveat into the matter.
No.
We just the answer and based as he talk.
Okay, I see TikTok.
Yes.
Okay.
But you don't now carry because she said you don't talk waiting.
But maybe he said don't think him.
He said go don't think him because what it go make me they call you? You know if they call me. You not send whether I don't know whether the two go don't discuss. Maybe go don't tell the guest. Say babe, now what for you? You know they even say me call me.
So for the record, we go tell them now. Say call them, tell them. Say like as she know they call and you they call. Then when nothing change, now then if it take decision on the matter.
You want to continue, Pastor?
All right. So the last what we will do today because of our time. So emotional strain they lead to communication strain. Then one communication strain begin happen like this one we don't talk now. You go enter trust strain.
Yes.
Now then it go become trust issue. You call them for morning. It's in a night for waiting day. You no pick. You ring out. Call the second time. By the third time, phone off. You don't want to think anything. You you won't be the good girl or the good. So you don't want to think anything. You leave her. Around 4, you wake up. Now like midnight now we're in day. You call again. But you see say call terminated. Say you end the call. Call off phone. When you call again, phone no ring. Around the 11 you do office, now you call you. You won't answer her more. You know say for your mind you won't answer, say you don't miss her. But you go look the phone.
But if that
happen to
everybody don't do that thing.
Now only one thing go come my mind. Now only one thing go come my mind.
Your phone they ring. You go look at. I know easy people go talk to himself. As that phone they ring, say for your mind.
I don't do finish for night. Hello, good evening, people.
Start off and I jump on the matter.
You understand? But I swear, if not me, I go call you. You ring 1 time, ring 2 times,
the third time. Language. Go just look the phone ring.
You call off them. Then I can't call you around the 4.
You ring small.
Who they call? A piaya. People they call. You off for ya.
They can't call me for money.
Don't call me.
Sometimes they don't even call you, but you can even call because they did this man miss call.
I forgot.
It's not
said, I'm so sorry.
It was
such a busy day.
You understand?
If you only know what I go through, my God. You better say sorry.
Okay. And girls are wicked.
Wait.
Girls are pastor. No,
please,
girls are wicked.
Please hold on.
You get to say,
wait.
So you didn't even know. I was not feeling too
wait.
Then you're going to say, sorry.
Girls are not wicked. But there are behaviors that girls have displayed that has made Nedu conclude that some girls are wicked. But you see this reaction, most of them when they watch get exactly the same reaction because you go to think now. So the first time when you call, it pick. Hello, they hear plenty noise. So you they think club, party where they off and come off phone.
So you don't expect me?
It's me the off phone on.
Then until tomorrow morning.
Yes, the following morning, you don't call for morning, you call when you go to say I don't the office. Where I go down the happy small. You now call, you don't look the phone. You want pick you they look the phone. Make it short say I ain't call you.
Uncle, your phone is ringing.
My brother be talking. So what does she want to say? What does she want to say now?
Sorry.
So that when you pick the phone, you go quiet. Just pick the phone.
I'm listening.
Say talk. It's okay.
No,
I want to. Can I explain? Oh, you want to? Oh, you have something to explain?
Oh, yeah. No, what are you explaining for? No, I know.
No, it's okay.
Wait now.
It's
You don't
okay.
understand. Yesterday, when I went to the market,
Then
they
woe
thieved
betide you. You get crazy friend ready beside you. Where say, leave her, he has a new girlfriend, come cut phone. And now London, you did Lagos. Now London. Maybe we're not having crazy colleagues for office. Where no mean anything.
We never know who they are.
I don't even know who did that side.
They say, leave him, he's with me, I love him. He cuts phone. You know,
and you did not done.
You just look
so
the phone.
enter plane, visa, everything. Your head.
You just look the phone. Hey. If I reply as I'm feeling now, if I reply this boy now, I'll spoil something. I'm leaving here. You just call two girlfriends, say sit down. I have to tell you people something. You guys people that are telling me to keep loving Deji. You people are telling, look, if I tell you what I'm going through, you won't believe it.
And that time, the guy go come, they confide in the girls. The girl now go come, they say, yeah, sorry. From sorry.
Of course,
another thing.
Of course. He said, now she will think I'm joking. When you now call back and you laugh, he said, I'm laughing. And you are even laughing. So it's true. He said, it's true. What is true?
He said, now you want to cover up your track. You think
it's
you
my colleague at work.
No,
do we not have colleagues?
Do we not have colleagues? Good evening.
Good evening, my man.
Ask your question, I beg. You get question to ask, Abi?
I get question to ask.
I ask quick.
Ask, please.
I beg, Pastor, make you know verse. What a person will go keep wife, keep this their relation, and the girl is not romantic enough.
Okay, now they discuss romance now, but not be our topic. But
no, I say maybe they far, and you they east.
Okay, you they east, you the hair. So exactly when I talk now you they talk now because if you think say she they keep romance, it means say trust don't they fail already. Yes, now.
Sometimes as we talk. You see to the call, I know go pick call.
I'll go explain now. I'm coming to you now, my brother.
And that person cut the relationship or continue.
Okay. Okay, just hang up and go talk. Ultimately, that choice now your own. But no, the reason why we explain everything, now for you to work on them, not be to cut them off. Because now you say you caution, they pick. Sometimes to rectify some of these issues, when you call 2-3 times, they no pick. Just send text. Say, I called you, probably you're busy or at work.
Exactly.
Whatever the reason is, get back to me. Yes, whatever the reasons are, get back to me. Take care of yourself. Cheers. You know? So that once they see the phone, call back. Sometimes, because of trust issues, we don't even feel weight. You know, so when you say, I know we'll call them until they call me. When you can't look your phone again, not only 2 hours later, but for your mind, don't be like 2 days.
Yes.
So I have to call this person. If I leave this thing now,
you can't call again, not pick.
I have to, and then your frustration will enter. When you can't call, you know, she no pick. You say, but I sent a text.
Morning, good evening.
Good evening.
Which question you get to ask quick?
The question I want to ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, is it Nedu I'm talking to?
Yes.
Nedu?
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Edu, are you with me?
I am with you. Ask your question. Time not there.
Okay, the question I want to ask is sometimes when you see like you put like Edu, you used to find fault. You are always saying that you are right and the wife is not right.
Who said so?
That kind of issue, how can you treat it? It's not long existence.
Okay, who is saying that? Is it the man or the woman that is saying you are right or wrong?
The man always say that he's right, while the woman is wrong.
You call my name now.
Okay.
So what you do?
Okay, so the question now, what do you do in that situation?
Okay.
What is the question, ma? Is it that what do you do in that situation?
The question is that he's saying that the wife belongs to somewhere like Marine Kingdom that is disturbing her.
Marriage kingdom.
That's spoiled.
Wow. My sister, I'm going to thank you.
You know what, Maureen, this thing that you are talking, send text message to 0817 232 7000. That's all.
You don't do them.
Hey, just send that text message.
Okay, well, we're going to end on here. We'll continue next week. Trust issues. So we don't talk emotions.
No, healing is cheating. Cheating.
Check that hashtag. We're going to check a hashtag healing from cheating. Just go on Twitter, check the hashtag healing, one word, healing from cheating, and then go through the tweets. You go see our discussion on if you don't cheat your partner before, how you supposed to deal with yourself before bringing them up with your partner. And then if they don't cheat on you, where you know how you suppose they handle and moving forward. Because now marriage, now long day, now marathon, no be sprint. No be something you go just every month you don't come up a knife and you want to end everything. Now marathon, so we go help you understand. Talk. Let me put Twitter and email.
Okay, now double toilet all of now. We don't call. We will not fit take on a phone call. If you want to talk to a person here on top Twitter, this is where we talk now. Healing from cheating. Yeah. On top Twitter, hashtag. Follow. If you go Twitter now at Ihianyi1. At Ihianyi1, you go see everything we pass on top healing from cheating. Then don't cheat up. Are you the cheater or cheatee? Go there, you will receive your healing. Are you the cheater or cheatee? Go there, you are going to receive your healing.
And you will get some guideline
on how to follow your account at Ihianyi1. And then again,
that text message.
Today, it don't pass. Today, don't pass. Now, until Monday now.
Not till Monday, but maybe they send the message.
Text. Only to that, only.
Just Monday text message. Monday to Friday. No call, no flash. Text message.
Put your name, sir, if possible.
Put your name, if possible. Next week.
Message, if it's too long, send email ejioguihianyi@yahoo.com. It's finished. Don't go and type 10-page text message. Just sit down inside your email, something and just type email. Just send to
we get your mails, though. 2-3 people from UK, London, and I think Sweden don't send their mails with their relation. And I don't reply some of them. So when they get to their mails, we go get times of the week where we're going to reply all those things. So it did better that way.
All right. Double toilet all of and we don't call. Now go follow person here on top Twitter. And then the phone number, you don't hear them, 0817-232-7000. In case you want to follow Katim on top Instagram, Catherine Obiang, now be Katim handle on top Instagram. Some people call me, make I come do MC for their wedding. They come, they talk one kind. Now, if you want, make I come MC your wedding. Go on top my Instagram, Nedu_Wazobia FM TV. You go see one number there. Call that number.
When you reach Nedu, you don't reach Easy Beat, reach me. Bye-bye.
Once you reach me, you don't reach Easy Beat. You don't reach Easy Beat. You don't reach Katim. You don't reach Pastor Ihianyi. Anyway, till one day, now good night.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.